what I say, I'm Akwaba. Trending stories on social media, NBTV. Make sure to subscribe. Now, what any on notification bell so the stories for Fubia to her as I upload a new video. Once a bit in your can. Now, not Bema Heba and Spiritual Center. Soon film when I'm film. Kenya se, Kumasi, Gawo Junction, King Castle, Honoma, now be home. Abuchi for Ghana for a DB tete of a soon film when I'm film. Say about be a Jumasem, Kratasem, Bema, Bema, I am Wontumi in the chair. But what day? Squeeze bar, number net that's here. Fan a fray. Nana Ebejo so 2024 election year you will media busia Ghana Oman Ankazano eni ahoto Samson ne munipa eni ahoto when e gina say yento wo so aba ya wo mo pe wo mampeni akonya no so enso ni ahoto esan se ade cha de ese bia no ensen foforo eni free different camp eba na enno ana wo de we chi mo asante mantam a NPP regional chairman chairman Wontumi anase entry Bernard Bosia kon ya your friend chairman Wontumi ni ginem e was Asante Mantam. Na no na some chofo was Asante Mantam mu di won near to form ehun say as a chairman Wontumi e twetwetwe ne ho e was the year 2024 election mu. En some ni nyina kofa baaye. Abra Angel FM morning show host Kwame Thanko etena nadwa mu edi nkomo etoto ni amadi ni amagunsani so e kire say woni chairman Wontumi ye pa previous election even a ban regional and now say a ban delegate elections when you chama Wontumi ahokeka any the way and model boy ban election ST 2024 year as a winning atwetwe ne ho wadwen ho a wonte ase mame fa nkwa akire kaka o ba kai say yes enipa mi ensa bi ekore confirm emu mi survival ye emu ba ko an survival sansema ye kan ye Kwame Thanko susu se sansema ye ka fa chama Wontumi ho asa nama na abamu bu otwetwe ne ho e dey free 2024 election and no ana oguso e kasa echim se wan hwe yi a the we chairman as a twetwe ne ho e dey free 2024 election we e betimi ama MPP eluso vote kase pa e wa Ashanti region so the so krampo kire se wan hwe a na MPP akonya no abowo mo ensem no de oka bebre e de to ade make so eni di ne ho brase inguni nkoti Kwame Thanko, Angel FM morning show host.
My observe idea be a Ashanti region, ha? Kwame. And I am putting that on record. I stand for correction, though, but I pay me observation in the amount. Hate him or love him. There's a certain man in the MPP here in the Ashanti region who doubles as the regional chairman of the party. Don't as chairman Wontumi. My observer dear Bia. Minim seven kwan my sa observation no and mahudia. Kwame. That man hate him or love him. It is even coming from me. It's coming from me. Somebody who have been an ardent critic of Chairman Wontumi. Me, I have never given it lightly to Chairman Wontumi. Hey, if you are no one-on-one, say, I tell him in the face. But I am telling you, don't take it away from him when it comes to prosecuting elections. When it comes to prosecuting elections, don't take it away from him. But, this time around, mihum bibibia, a lackadaisical attitude of Chairman Wontumi. I say, obeye, onye, mwenye sa subino and masha say me hu wo Chairman Wontumi
on shut down for no
and I stand for correction. Say the American no cry, minim why it is happening like that. I am not per chance saying say he's the only person obey to be a boy.
But you know, when it comes to elections,
prosecuting elections,
getting
don't take
the results
away from Chairman Wontumi. Our gerrymandering way of doing things, our way be of faso coin in near my binia dear. Now when you buy on no the open or day on that say no. But this time around, the Chairman Wontumi that me no. Me who is abu.
It is say ni to me I war party no no na ona why careful party no na say
me the maswa to form, but it looks like there is a problem, a rift be from a certain quarters of the national party, no, Ediba region, no,
national executives.
From there coming down, if indeed it is true, I want the flag bearer, I want the leadership of the party to rise up. Not yes, omu yebiano, omu enhwenu omu enye. But say anya sa, ebia well, they can say ebia they all kanobwa. Or you know you must say I stand for correction by a mimi observation. Any the mima who and if there's a problem between Chairman Wontumi and some members of the National Party, Noah, executives Noah. And the money you know, almost resolve it. Such challenge be say who owns Ashanti region. Na ebiama Chairman Wontumi say okay, and yeah, munye emwamo. The mima who know emwamo. Said the me came a boss so you can leave it. Said me observation my and say me boy the party can leave it. No more jan hosa na atan say the city.
Say na somebody nyina ebe ekoye. Kwame Tanko ene church ni nsemu abra wone esem trofo na say otan ni dwumadie so na obo amane e dia fa chama Wontumi ahotwetwe a wotwetwe e dia fa 2024 election.